What's up, everybody? Chef Rondi here, coming to you on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecue to the next level. Today's cook, we're going to be doing the colossal size breakfast fart pockets on the Blackstone griddle. Griddle up. All right, let's dive into the ingredients for these colossal size breakfast fart pockets. Today I'm going to be using Jimmy Dean's sausage, a block of Philadelphia cream cheese. I took 2 jalapenos earlier. I diced them up, so I've got fresh jalapenos right here. Seasoning, I've got cayenne pepper, regular pepper, just a little bit of garlic. That's going to get cooked up. We'll put it in a bowl. Then I'm going to do scrambled eggs. That'll get cooked up. That'll go into the bowl. When all that's in the bowl, I'm going to mix it up with Cholula hot sauce. So then my guts are done. I'm going to take them inside, and then I'm going to roll them up into doubled up croissants. Once they're rolled up, I'm going to bring them back outside, and we're going to bake them on the Blackstone griddle. All right, so we're going to take Jimmy Dean's sausage. We'll get this cooking right here. Yeah. You can use whatever sausage you like. I grabbed the Jimmy Dean's regular. Obviously, these type of sausage packages, they come in hot, regular, mild, Italian. It just depends on what your grocer has available, and it depends on what you like. All right, jalapenos, fresh cut up jalapenos. All right. So the story behind the fart pockets. I know what everyone's saying. Round-eye, dude, these are just breakfast hot pockets. Well, technically, yeah, they are. But they were named and taught to me probably 13 years ago by a really good friend of mine, my buddy Mike, and we'd have big parties at his place in Melbourne every weekend. And because breakfast is the most important meal of the day, as he would always say, we'd always make sure we had fart pockets, because these are great even after they've been cooked, bagged up, and put in the fridge 4 hours later. They're still just as good cold. So that's where the name comes from, and it's always stuck, and I've always made these. So this will be my first time obviously doing the fart pockets on the Blackstone, and we're even going to bake them on here and do a complete cook on the griddle. Philly cream cheese. Cayenne pepper, little black pepper, and garlic. Get everything cooked in here. The sausage is almost done. Right now I'm just going to work everything up, get it all cooked in here, get the cheese melted. The sausage is pretty much done. Temperatures are set at low. Right as I started, I had already had the griddle nice and hot. Turned them down before I threw the sausage on. That way I didn't overcook it and burn it. All right. Alright, this is ready to go. So far, the guts of the fart pockets smells absolutely fantastic. Alright, scrambled eggs. Eggs are done. Chilula time. And now we're going to mix this up. The guts of a fart pocket. All right, we're gonna take the guts inside. We're gonna go roll them up into the croissants, bring them back out here onto the griddle, and bake them. All right, so we're back inside. I've got my croissant rolls. I've got the guts. Let's roll up these fart pockets. Then we're gonna get back outside, get them on the griddle. All right, so I'm gonna take both of them off. I'm just gonna try to spread them out a little bit. First one, spread it out. You take the second one. I'm gonna do the same thing. Now I'm gonna overlap right on here. And again, you can do them individually, but these are colossal fart pockets. So when you have a word like colossal, they better be that size. Now we're gonna load up the guts. Now you're going to pinch in the middle, make sure you got both, get underneath there. You're going to pull down here and you're going to pinch it. Or just press it together, same thing over here. And you're going to close that gap inside and you're going to push just all the way down, tapping that dough right on top of one another, almost like you're sealing it in. And then you're going to hold it, thumbs in, and you're going to just try to keep everything together and you're just going to start rolling it up. One colossal fart pocket, ready to go. All right. All right, the colossal breakfast fart pockets are ready to go and we're gonna bake them on the griddle. What I'm gonna be using is the new Blackstone warmer. I've got it set at the lowest level. I've put some cooking spray on there so non-stick. I'm gonna lay the colossal fart pockets on here, and then to create the convection oven, the extra large Blackstone basting dome, I'm gonna set right on top. Cook time for this, the bake time, excuse me, will be between 23 and 25 minutes. I've got my little timer set, ready to go. So let's get these fart pockets on the Blackstone. And to give you guys an idea of what a single fart pocket looks like, that's just one croissant, a little bit less guts inside. See if I can make room for that here. See if I can get him right there. All right. Cooking dome is on. We'll start our timer. And here we go. Let's take a look and see how they're cooking. Dough's rising nicely. We're going to cover it back up. I'm going to set the temperature to 3/4 of high heat. Let it finish the rest of the way at that temp. We'll come back, check it out here when the buzzer goes off. It's been 25 minutes. The timer's gone off. Let's take a look, see how we're doing on this bake. It's not bad. Let's take a look here. See, we've got golden brown, as you can see. Now we're getting a Cat 5 hurricane out of nowhere on a beautiful weekend, sunny day. But that's just the elements you live with here in Florida in March. No, it's not a Cat 5. Don't worry. It's just some insane wind when I don't need it. Golden brown underneath, but it still needs to cook more on the top. So what I'm going to do is I've got this little butter ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and baste the top of these. I'm going to set my timer for 15 minutes and keep cooking them, but in that time check them, because obviously we don't want to burn them. Just good old-fashioned unsalted butter. Okay, we're gonna put them back under. And let's start. 15 minutes. All right, another 15 minutes is done. So for a total of 40 minutes total bake time on our Blackstone Griddle oven. Let's take a look. I'd say that's a success. That's a great bake. We're gonna get these off this warmer, get them over here, and let them cool down. All right, so we've got our fart pockets, the colossal breakfast fart pockets. Now we get to try them out. They've cooled down. Obviously they were blistering hot when we pulled them off the griddle. Let's take a look here. Try this massive one here. Look at this. Oh my God. This is it right here. Nailed it, baked it on the Blackstone griddle. Oh, fart pockets. I tell you what, again, another great cook on the griddle. I wasn't sure, obviously we had to go from 25 minutes, add another 15, so we had to go a total of 40 minutes for this cook, but it came out fantastic. You know, I love creating stuff like this. I love sharing it with you guys. Tell me what you think. Leave comments below if you think, hey man, this was a great thing. I'm glad you showed me, and you know, I'm gonna go hop on my Blackstone and bake up some fart pockets, or you know what, not for me. I'll just stick with cooking them in the oven and go a little bit faster. Again, we've got gale force winds here. It's just one of those days here in Florida. Again, I hope everyone enjoy this, and as always, round eye out, griddle up.